Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? DBS Exclusive is about to begin.
Alright, so guys, welcome to season 2 of DBS Exclusive. Now, you hear me mention earlier, this is a show where I talk to creative content creators, just anyone out there who does something outside of the regular things that we normally, announce on like school challenge quiz and them stuff there. So with me today is my very, very special friend. I mean like friend in a real life, not social media friend, my close to my heart friend. Keeping Up with Jehneel, Jehneel Adamson. Oh gosh, Janiel. Jehneel, I'm here. I'm very, very happy to have you here. I mean, you know.
Yeah,
you know.
I know.
Yeah. And people do not understand, like, yo, Jehneel is like, you remember how I come across the content?
Yeah, happy feet. Happy feet tag you under one of my posts. Like, me just see that start put up video on Instagram and
yes.
tag you under there. And so comes him run over my page and him start following me, I'm start following back and they would dead a little till boom.
Yeah, I saw this girl and as I said, happy feet, she's a dancer and she tagged me under one of your videos and I look at me and say, wait, this girl talented. How more people don't know about this talent? And I was just in awe. So I said, here what? I need to go and do a collaboration with her. And I started, and we do some videos. How much videos we do now? About like
the first
4?
one we did do the Halloween movie.
Yeah.
And the second one was
we did a Santa Claus where you were Mrs. Claus and I was Santa Claus.
Yes,
and then we did a song. We did a
remix of Spice.
A Spice and Angel, no worries.
Yeah.
Because like right now we no money.
Not a dollar, not a cent.
Not a dollar, not a cent. I go ask you a while ago, like, did I try bringing but we need for the singing thing.
Right, yeah.
But yeah, so that is how we started off, and I am just so happy to see your growth.
I know, thank you.
Jehneel, when did you recognize that I have some little talent, like I have little talent?
To be honest with you, like I realized I'm in high school because I used to do drama class. And everybody did want in my group. Like when I time for pick, everybody want me. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
My drama teacher used to encourage me like when you left school, go Edna Manley or whatever. But my head never go right there. So at the time, it was like hair and nails. I go school for that. But the last, I go nail school for 3 months or so. Then boom, my father passed away. I did drop out. Yeah. So you remember the 200, 500 years something?
Oh, the voice note they did around the place. Yes.
Berry, when it just come out, I never run with the first voice note yet. Or the second one when she said, "Me there Jamaica, me there Ochi." So I said, "All right, well, me just react to it and like I say, my post crackers, whatever, what they part my pressure pill, me not feel so beautiful."
Yeah.
Me Berry, me say share like.
2,000 videos just start to go viral now, yeah.
No. Then after that, I just start doing the reaction I get from the people.
Was like, all positive feedback and encouraging feedback, yeah.
Like, you're so funny, whatever. I say, I know I'm funny. Because I'm a friend named Ron, be like...
And always don't say there's always a gimmicks person there.
Yeah, so it's natural.
No, Alika Birdie tells me that you are inspired by a certain character. Hey, Professor Ogilvy! That you love Nicky Parker, Monique and stuff.
Yeah, I'm the favorite too. People still say me look
I remember.
Yeah, one girl from high school, Stacey, Stacey Priceless. She called me Miss Park. Up to today, she called me Miss Park.
Say no, say naga there. I'm not asking for those, but one Nicky Parker type, like an impression. Come do your thing, man.
It's a try, but me I try some. Remember some with Professor Og.
Just call me. Pretend to me a Professor Og.
Hey, Professor Og.
Yeah, go on. All right, so you started like doing a couple of these videos now, but when Jehneel did you recognize it? Here what? This is not really play thing. I might consider this like a little hustle now.
All right, you see when the first corporate people them really reach out to me was Lasco.
Oh,
yeah, them did want me do one little skit like with Triple, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, when we first did that video, the feedback when we get from it, like, girl, you're talented,
Yeah.
you're bad. I say, all right, hold on there, you know. It's not only for fun.
Yeah.
Because to be honest, me did start off as to say.
For just fun, and you like the little likes and the comments and people are
people
yeah.
laugh. So you know the comments them kill me. Sometimes I don't, and the comments them lift me up. You know them look away there. So when as I say when last colleague me, I was like, all right, then I serious some of this now, you know. So I just take my time and come out a little comfort zone with it, you know, and just start go around the way there. And it worked out for me because after that I start link with Maxfield Bakery, me a triple.
Right. I remember that ad when you were doing together.
Yeah, and I think like 2 years straight we did at Easter ads for them.
Okay.
After Maxfield was
come on, man, a whole heap of work you have, you know, like, I don't know where you're just... Wait, hold on, before we come to there. Since you were doing your videos just like by yourself, when somebody approached you to like, okay, I want you to like work with you on this particular like ad or this thing, how you kind of figure out like how make a charge them? Like how you do these things when somebody come and say, Jehneel, I want you to talk about my song? Like how you did first match out like, how do I price?
You me link.
Oh yes, real.
And you me link up Berry. Me get me do
Yeah.
or me do this. And you be like, all right, hold on. And you match it up
Carry the
me
one, carry the three,
yeah.
like, all right, so you know the ballpark there because you know, understanding like when you're creative and do these things, nobody does not tell you like how to kind of like price like your talent. You're like, all right, so all right, me gonna just mention your party. So I remember one time I got a job, people, you know, I tell you all the time, they just like do the test and videos, they wanna go on my thing. And you know, one big bank company reached out to me and said they want like a 15-minute video for play like them corporate event. And me I said, all right then, me I said, oh, I'm looking for a full video them. I send them a nice invoice, you know, 5,000 Jamaican dollars. 5,000 Jamaican dollars and a 3,000 I put in. I'm saying I'm just throwing 2,000 extra because you know come bro. I never even realized say yo me a shoot and me a edit and all of them like they cost like money. Me I say like wow. So like big up you for kind of reaching out and that's what you're supposed to do. Like you know you want to look at things them. So list out the people that we work with now. Come you know you know them.
DJ
big ambassador and all these things.
Statue, bigger, better, yeah, network, yeah.
So me make a credit. So me make a credit. You can't come tell me no. Actually, why you stay so? You can't come tell me no. No, I want you to come tell me no. Like, has there been any like a okay? I want you to talk to me a little briefly. Has there been any moment where you see a particular crazy fan on the road when you step out?
Any part, like enough, like enough,
Yeah.
and then some of them no come to you, them not approach you, them say them, you look away, cause me get enough of the DM. Me just see a while ago, oh my God, me did one picture, but it did look.
You know, so you have to dress up when you go shopping in Jehneel. You have to go shop.
Alright, people, my baby father cuss about this, but when you're in your yard, in your own comfort zone, me nah, where they call it, me nah left a statement in my yard.
Yeah, you just want to be a regular self off of social media.
Yeah.
So I want to jump down into your business a little bit more.
I wish
but
that
you know, I'm just kind of, you know, like, you know, have a little break. And then be right back where we can be a little bit intrusive. We're keeping up with Jehneel. Stay tuned, it's DBS exclusive. We like it, white nails them do.
Yeah, touch. I'm going to get some help from me.
You want to tell her for form a dance group, you know? I tell you know, like when you form a dance group, you know, I tell you, I'm not ready, you know? Because you know, show up so we can become a say do the dancing thing, or we can start with the choreography. Yeah.
Go and get a bad dancer and don't play with Janiel.
All right.
Sure.
Well then, as promised, I'm going to jump into Jehneel's business a little hard bit. No, no, say could I cast you, But can you tell me about like the haters? Like you can't be an influencer on social media and you know buck up some very grimy comments. Like what was the first like really bad comment where you get to say, boy, I feel a little way like but I just kinda load the little social media thing.
The that was like the second video I did do after the 1200, 500. I did do it like, I did collage this pic with my video. But the girl,
yeah.
The makeup did funny, so it's like at the makeup I did really attack about. So them did have one next voice now was saying about the pitney have gas. Where's something name? Then he was one different, but then I guess something. But anyways, long story short, yeah, that person that comment under the video was like, my nose big like the person one, and. You know, I have one time when I talk, I'm wide out my nose.
Yeah, I know, I see, yeah. So whenever, no, whenever stop like, but I know.
All right.
But I can't talk, you know, because, you know, like, hey, you know, the nose there, you know, the nose. Why you act so strong? So, like, a long time I realized my nose big. I don't like the energy there, like, about, like, how you did manage, like, did you clap back? Is your style to, like, clap back?
When I did just start, to be honest, when I did just start make video and I get the negative comment. But let me tell you something, I really, on my page, I get the negative comment, you know. I like when other people share it.
Oh,
you know,
they're never normally brave enough to go under your page,
yeah. To be honest with them, I now go around your other posts, I see the bad comments. I used to comment, I'm my best friend. But sometimes I just send she under there and she just done them
because that's true, you know, some of the things that you can deal with, you know, your friends, them and your family members, them ready for just like rush up on the battlefield on your behalf, you know.
My best friend named Simone, she never played.
Yeah.
Because she used to love read the comments because she used to love see the feedback and them something there.
But when she starts
she buck up on the negative one, then I tell her say I tour with them till them have to delete for them comment. Until she just say, here what? When I answer nobody else, don't answer them. I go have them. You get what I say?
Yeah. So since we talk about the bad, like what has been what you consider one of the best comments that you've received from a fan?
This was in my DM though. Like it was sad.
Yeah.
But touching because the person said to me that they wanted to take their life, you know? And them see my video and it made them feel so much better. Like, what? You did not do that and my video make you, you know, it
you know,
make
some
me
of them mean a lot, you know.
You say.
Because you
enough of them get.
You know sometimes when things are, you know, like we even not consider certain things, like you know, probably being in that dark place where, and sometimes I wonder if that's why like we do what we do in terms of trying to cheer up people. Because I say life hard enough already, you know. So even if I want like a 15 seconds out of the day, that somebody can just like.
It was very touching. Touching, like, just I think about it. And she sent the crying face like. Yeah.
So it shows that when you're putting out your content out here, you don't know how it will reach and how it will inspire and help people to have a better day.
I cry, I can't stop. I don't nobody to talk so much in video, I feel better. Rate it, I love them comments, they brother. Because you know, say you do something. What you said, feel good, man.
So who are some of the other creators out there that give you that feel good feeling? Besides me, I'm sure, you know, I'm sure, you know, I'm sure my videos are sometimes put a smile on your face. Like, besides me, who are some of the other creators out there that you like enjoy, like, it can be local or international, like you are like a fangirl of?
Triple X.
Yeah.
RJ. Dino Crazy.
Yes,
Baltimore.
Yeah.
Delhi.
Yeah. Come on. And the list continues, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so number one for come, you know, let me have my little school challenge quiz card up there. A birdie tell me say I have 119,000 on Instagram. And on TikTok you have like over 25K.
But start TikTok, so you have to see with me.
No man, 25K, I'm slow down pan. And on Facebook you have over 59,000 people there that's like following you. And I've seen your videos. You have videos over there with 1 million like views over there. Like Jehneel, big on Facebook. Like I was in disbelief when I'm seeing like, oh, you know, she have like an Instagram, you don't go Facebook. That's a fear base. She's selling down Facebook. So like, what me through like, okay, doing the videos them now, we make you decide say, yo, I need to push myself like on these other platforms.
Alright, maybe start off on Facebook first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on Facebook first. I'm a friend, as my best friend Simone, as she influenced me for come over
Simone
Instagram.
seems like she's supposed to have some shares in her business right
now.
Man,
Simone,
like,
a
if
good
we never hear
girl,
Simone,
man,
so when you get the first million, you know, say she even deserve like 800,000.
Yeah. So
people know. Hold on. We're not going to come to this. Jehneel, she has one of the most disgusting laughs disgusting in a good way, but you wouldn't want to go watch a movie with her like beside her. Be like, no, you laugh awful.
Them can't tell them.
No, laugh again, Jehneel. Like laugh. No, people. No, people honestly, you can just like, just like left a message and comment and say who for laugh is like more refined.
Berry, your laugh more something.
No, your laugh. My laugh is. No, my laugh is. No, my regular laugh is.
Berry laugh. Round who? Round who?
I saw me laugh.
You're not so you laugh.
You're not going to come to this.
We're not going to come, no.
But yeah, come to me about like say it was Facebook thing and Simone.
Yeah, Simone influenced me for go over. Simone influenced me for go over Instagram. So
yeah.
Cause she said over the art, over there, there. You get what I say? So I start drop the video them pan Instagram and my sister like me see the views them and the comments.
And I'm coming and everything, yeah.
Me not lie, me late pan the YouTube because when me did just start up on Instagram, we know Berry.
Yeah.
You still tell me for go pan.
Long time.
Still too.
Long time.
But me I say at the time Instagram did a carry. Facebook and Instagram I carry the swing for me. But now, like me I say, people I say, yeah, your daughter can vlog and vlog yourself. Me say, but me can't do this for you. Why me keep me just drop me little clip them? Cause you always tell me say, drop a little short clip them and send them go over YouTube. But me go start now, so no,
Well, tell the people the name of your YouTube channel.
Keeping Up With Jehneel.
Okay, just so you have to put on the little accent there.
Because of some name,
okay.
Jehneel.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we talk about fast in our business and find out about like the Facebook and the Instagram. And now I think you're going to like talk about you and your TikTok because you're going a bag of things over there and you're bringing a little family like a vibes.
Yeah.
And some really want to talk about that, and apparently you're supposed to have like a very special person that I'm very excited to meet. So yeah, stay tuned and we will be right back. DBS exclusive. Why you laugh again? Come on, yeah. All right, so let us laugh to the exit.
Really? I'm so good.
Transform your home with an elegant and unique selection of decorative lighting fixtures, lamps, and accessories from LPSR. Come home to comfort with a variety of our custom seating options. Enhance your space with beautiful rugs in a wide variety of colors, textures, and sizes. Trendy, chic, unique. LPSR.
Alright, so welcome back. I'm still here chatting with my good friend Jehneel. Someone pronounce your name right?
Jehneel.
Oh God, so all along me I pronounce it wrong. Jehneel.
Thank you.
You have to say that you sound like a nice lotion buckle. Jehneel, you sound like a fragrance. Jehneel, what are you wearing? What are you wearing?
Jehneel.
You see that? What am I wearing?
That's your Jehneel.
You see me get idea right there, so? Alright. Alright, so we're jumping in your business about the Facebook, the Instagram, and your TikTok. Right?
I read my daughter TikTok.
Yes. What you say?
I read my daughter TikTok.
I've seen you, okay, some little thing that I say, you look like you have a little star.
Yes.
Yeah.
Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.
You know, so it really makes sense when I think about it. You are the Nikki Parker.
Yeah.
And she are
the Kim Parker.
The Kim Parker. I don't really think I'm going right to say, no. Jehneel.
I know.
Don't make Angie come to college, come catch you, you know, like, don't make you. I'm just saying, like, I don't know if you want to go back to school or something like that and then two and go do it and then you realize it come full circle. Like, you ever pre that yet?
No.
You and your daughter go to college at the same time?
No, I'm not pre it yet.
Well, anyway, at this point in time, I'm going to, you know, welcome the lovely 8-year-old, may I get the age right?
Yes.
8-year-old Angie. Angie, come on the stage. Angie, come on. Woo! Angie. Oh my gosh. Make way for Angie. Hi, Angie.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, how are you?
I'm fine.
You feeling good?
Yes.
Alright, please tell me, like, what is it like doing these videos with your mommy? Who comes with it? Who comes up with stuff?
My mom.
Okay, like, but who really gets the dance moves them the fastest?
Me.
It's you. Alright, so is there anything that you want to tell me about your mommy? Like, me know she always a smile. Is mommy grumpy like when it comes to like how the house stay neat and tidy?
Uh-huh.
Like very grumpy?
Mm-hmm.
So she don't like anything dirty or anything out of place? Oh jeez, Jehneel. Please do not tell me say you ever, you know, like yell at Angie, because Angie's an innocent little saint. Angie don't give trouble.
Does
I
she
believe,
do?
no, you don't give any trouble. I believe that she's so easy to talk to. I feel that energy, like when I look at the videos, Angie behaves herself.
Rick, what?
No, I'm telling you, nobody will look at Angie and thinks Angie misbehaves. No, you don't misbehave, Angie. Alright, so tell me, Angie, like, do you enjoy like doing these things with your mommy, like acting and just like, you know, like being in front of the camera? Is something where you really love?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me why you love it. Tell me why you love it so much. Like, you know, like doing it.
Because we work together, always have fun making the videos.
Oh my God, you see them. Oh, they're so like, oh, Miss World, Miss Jamaica, and side man. Oh my God. But tell you, I know, say, Angie, let me hear you laugh. Let me hear you laugh. Come here, try for sure, say, I am mother of the real back. Well, you see, at least Angie laugh sound like nice and corporate. You see that? Your daughter have the refined laugh, so we have the look really, you know, like, you know, street side laugh.
Our father laugh decent.
Okay, so is there a particular video
Like
that...
this.
So Angie, is there a favorite video that you have with your mom?
The one where she boxed me.
Oh yeah, that's the one that a lot of people love. And what are the other popular videos?
Yeah, you're not gonna show it right now.
What are the other popular videos that like people tend to like always stop you on the road and say, oh, I love that video?
The TikTok one.
Yeah.
And even the one we did the other day, like,
Imagine me get my Christmas money.
No, not that one.
Oh yeah. Oh, the dancing video, yeah, that was really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, man, people did love that video.
You know, so Angie really bad on the dancing.
Yeah,
like,
man, and she bad on gymnastics.
Yeah, I saw you post a video.
Yeah.
So you make sure she like partake in all of these like things. Do you have an idea like what you want to be in the future? You're thinking it's
Ballerina.
Oh, you really want to be a ballerina? You know, so Jehneel said she wanted to be a ballerina once too.
Try getting up.
Get up.
No, just like making a joke. I thought it was going to be funny and she laughed. All right, so were you think so you're going to become one of them Momager there? Like, because, you know, your daughter, like, she'll show signs, so she'll come into the thing, you feel like you're going to start jumping and, like, manage her talent and be like, here what? You know, some more Angie for, like, do these little things now, like, really put her out there, make sure be a part of commercials and jump more into this lane?
Yeah.
Are you, you plan to really do that? Okay, you put her to work.
But she's very talented.
Very.
She's multi-talented. Me nah go wrong. Say, she said she want to be a ballerina.
Yeah.
But you know, she can do gymnastics.
Yes.
She can dance. She can... I don't know what she can do. She can act.
Yeah. At what age you first like realize it? You know, some of my daughter like she have some special talent. When you first realize it, you know, I feel like she really take on to like my entire vibe.
When she reached about like age 4, yeah, the first video I try with her. Cause basically, I just tell her where for say. And tell her when she for drop the attitude. Yeah, as well.
Everybody can take direction like that, so you just like get it.
Yeah.
Angie, And right now, I see a viral, no, recently viral because Spice, the queen of dancehall, posted you on her page, and it was for what video?
I feel away.
Imagine me get my Christmas money, right? My mother, she take it up and I buy food with it, put on the house. And then, she gonna tell me, say me not for feel away, because me the same man who gonna eat it. Yes, mommy, I feel away. I feel away.
I feel away.
Yes. So do you have your friends like really come up to you and be like, oh, Angie, I see a video, like I really love it. And what does that feel like? What does that feel like? It make you feel like really good?
It makes me feel happy.
Okay, that's really, really nice. And I can imagine like you must be like a really proud parent, right?
I am.
Okay. So you know, me hear a little birdie kind of tell me, Angie say, you're kind of bad for the dancing and you are like the best TikTok instructor.
Yes, we can
right?
do like almost every dance.
You can do almost every dance.
Yeah.
I know we want to be your backup like dancers, okay? So will you allow that? I want you to show us a little dance. I mean the song, you know the song we did that sing a little bit at one time. I want you to show us that dance. Yeah. Come get up. Okay. You have the phone?
Yeah,
Hold
I have
on.
the phone.
Hold on, you have the phone?
Yes, I have the phone.
Okay. So I want you to show us. So what do you call this?
Let's go wow.
This is the wow there. The wow. Come to Jehneel, me know like.
That's song.
Okay, ready?
Alright, see it here.
Ready. Hold on. How it goes again? Oh, okay. Should I? Alright, come show it. Oh, hush. Come, ready?
Mistakes happen, ready.
Little, no way this. Alright, almost can't catch you now. Ready? Ready? Oh. You go in and sing. Wow! Alright, so we did good enough. We did good enough just now. Well, that is it for my interview with Keeping Up With Jehneel and her lovely daughter Angie. Thank you so much. Make sure you plug your stuff.
Yeah.
Where people can find you.
You can find me at Keeping Up With _Jehneel. You can find her at Keeping Up With Angelique. Yes.
Okay, and also, whenever plug to say you're part of the bartender right now. We're going to back at
guys, please to check out the artist series right now
on YouTube.
YouTube at Expressions JA, the bartender, wicked piece of series right now. And I'm in there, Slimmers.
Alright, so that is it for DBS exclusive. I want to thank you so much, guys, for watching. I have to go and big up my sponsor, you know, like new for like the lovely little look. I'm like feel nice and you know, like a sexy-ish right now. I have to go and big up the sponsor for the set, that it is LP Azar. I want to big up the stylist as well, Rahi Studios. And I think that's it. Follow me on my social media, Dutty Berry Show all over. Big up PBCJ for this lovely space to do my thing. Peace out. I think, yeah, that's it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.